Hi Sushant, welcome to Film Beat.
Thank you.
Okay, so today you are here for this launch of the event. What do you have to say about this?
I am very happy to be here because Amit is a very dear friend, and when he called me to do this calendar, I was very excited. I was like, okay, then I get to show Sushant and Rani Kohinoor um, in the same month. I mean, in the same picture. So I thought it was a great concept, and the pictures have come out fantastically well, and they just launched it, and I saw it for the first time, and I'm very happy. So yeah, and it's an all male calendar, but also then I've shown the androgynous side of me and the the drag persona. So that's when you kind of show the diversity within one person, and I thought that was great. Great move.
Alright, and apart from that, since we have seen you in Big Boss and now currently Big Boss is going on, so are you watching Big Boss season 4 as well?
No, yeah. Unfortunately, I don't have the channel only on my set-top box. I haven't uh, because my father watches television. I'm on the OTT platforms, but I don't have Voot also. I'm more of the Amazon, Hotstar, Netflix. Unfortunately, it's not on any of those channels, so I'm not going to only subscribe to Voot or just to watch Big Boss. So unfortunately, it's not happened. I have not been able to watch it. Sorry, no gossip here.
Okay, but since I'm sure you must be having some friends in the season in this house.
I did. I
Yeah,
did.
so who were your friends? Who you were
Naina was a friend. I've known Kavita for a very long. Who doesn't know Kavita? Kavita is friends with everyone basically. Kavita is a very friendly person and much senior to us also. So has been in the industry for many years now, nearly 20 years, more than 20 years, and I think she's an amazing person. I don't think she's part of the show anymore, right?
she's not.
So yeah, who is part of the show? Is the
Ali,
show still on?
yeah, Ali Goni is there, Jasmine was there.
Ali was dating one of my friends, Natasha, who was in my season
Yeah.
of Big Boss, and that's how I know him. Then
Yeah, then since you was talking about Ali, so what do you have to say? Because you know like he was dating, so you must be knowing कि कैसा है
he's
उसका.
when he was with us, he was a very nice guy. He's very chilled out. He likes to have fun. He's very nice to people around him. Apart from that, I've not watched the show. So if you're asking me about the show, I don't know. I don't know who Jasmine is as a person. So it's not fair for me to pass a judgment on anybody. Yeah, and yeah.
Rubina is there. Rubina is like
I liked, Rubina. I watched this one episode, the starting episode, because I was at a friend's house, and I kind of liked her. Out of all the contestants in the first impression, like she might come across as a little having a superiority complex, but I think that's the narrative that she's been given in terms of it looks like that, but she's not. I think she's nice. I like her.
you have been part of the show, so do you want to comment on the like Big Boss is being scripted because many people say that.
During our season, it was not scripted. I can tell you that. This season, I'm not there, so I can't tell you anything about it because I honestly, even if they are scripting it, then don't watch it. Honestly, we are not watching it ourselves. My thing is, but my season was a lot of fun, and we had such strong contenders right from the first week. Only we didn't know who's going because everyone was so strong. And people like Dipshika and Minisha Lamba and all went before me, and that was my first big sort of everybody started like watching me on television through Big Boss. Before that I was a VJ. Before that I was doing television commercials, and then of course I won Mr. Gay India, and that's what put me in the Big Boss house, and I went to represent India at Mr. Gay World. But apart after that, I don't think they've had any good LGBT representation, if I have to be honest. After me, who was there? There was someone. Sabyasachi was there in one of the seasons. Then Vikas, of course, came out of the closet and said he's bisexual much later after Big Boss. So Big Boss is not. I would suggest that they should be more inclusive when it comes to casting, because if you want a show to be entertaining, you can't have the same old fucking rigmarole, the same people talking about the मेरे खाने में नमक कम है, पर मत खाना बहन, इतना ही तेरे को ये करना है तो एक दिन उपास कर ले. It's so juvenile, and so which is why I didn't get into too many fights in my season. I just didn't give a fuck, I think, because I wanted to be there and represent a community that is already underrepresented.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to misbehave on the show, and I'm just generally a very easy happy-go-lucky person. So yeah, I think people need to just grow up a little bit, stop fighting over tea and coffee and sugar and stuff. But they're put in these situations, so you have it's mind over matter.
Yeah, currently if I talk about Rakhi Sawant is there in house, Vikas Gupta is there, like they have.
Because the show's not working clearly.
Yeah.
I mean, if people have not said it earlier, then they're lying to you. But if the show is not working, they're going to get people who made the earlier seasons work. Yeah, like a Kashmira and a Sambhavana and Rahul. I read this article which said they've got all of them back. What's the point of eliminating the contestants if you had to bring them back?
Right.
Please tell me, what am I missing? And you think that the audience is dumb or foolish that they will watch a show for the 13th season when you're doing all these things for 12 years? 14 years, now this is the 14th. 14 years, you think people have not evolved? You still think we're in the stone ages where a man can talk badly to a woman and a woman won't do anything about it. Man can objectify a woman's body. A man should not cry. A man cannot cook. These are we need to stop it, really, honestly. Otherwise, where are we going? I mean, in terms of content, what content are we creating? On one hand, you have people turning into snakes and, on national primetime television, and then you have this. So you don't really have, now you have OTT. So, of course, we're going to watch OTT. It's the youth that's speaking to you, clearly telling you we're not watching this crap anymore of people shunning other women fighting with each other and saying you look like this, you're like this, and you want to talk about feminism on one hand, and then you want to also do this, and then you're showing that you have the option of editing it. You have the option, but you don't edit it because you want it to be sensational. If I was there, I would have said this, but it would have all got cut. That's why I was out in the 7th week. If I was in Big Brother, I would have won the show. But if I don't have anything against people who go ahead in the game, because that's their career, they have to keep it alive. Because after that show, maybe they'll get work, they won't get work, so that they do everything, and then they're like, "Arey, 50 lakh to mil gaye." But I think if an artist is confident with their art, even 8 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years later, their art will be alive, whether they are also alive or not. I think that's
Ruining someone's personal life on national television or talking about their personal experience. What do you think? Like, is it
it's
fair
not
enough?
it's not good. It's not healthy. It's just not healthy. I think that, of course, it's a choice. You can tell me that it's none of your business, and maybe it's not. But then, when you don't get booked to work outside of this show, and I have no issues with Colors as a channel, because I have worked on the same channel when I have represented myself. And I have not said, यार तू ऐसी तू ऐसी है, तू काली है, तू मोटी है, तू ये है, तू transgender है, तू gay है. We've not had those fights. In my season was the first season that nobody told me anything about my gender. Have you noticed that? Before that, they abused Andy. Before that, they abused Imam. Before that, they even had a fight with Rohit, who is here. But the thing is that in my season, nobody fought with me for that. Not on my gender. So already we were evolved. Then from there, we've gone 10 steps back. You put like what is that, Baba or something in, throwing urine, and this is what you want to watch? I don't want my niece and my nephews to watch this. So we need to improve the content. The show is a very good show. Let me tell you that. For 10, 12 seasons, they did very well. In fact, even last season did very well.
Siddharth
you
Shahid.
know uh, I didn't like some things that people did on that show, but like they garnered the TRPs. So they thought they'll do this again and chal jayega, but nahi chala. But I think that we need to be more mindful about what we put out on television.
And जो हम घर के अंदर देखते हैं, फ्रेंडशिप टूटती है, वो रियल में टूटती है या दैट इज जस्ट फॉर द टिकाला? व्हाट यू हैव टू से, बिकॉज़ ये सीजन रुबीना और जैस्मिन की दोस्ती थी, दे स्टे इन सेम बिल्डिंग एंड नाउ दे आर नॉट इवन टॉकिंग.
देखिए, वो होता है क्योंकि वो सिचुएशंस ऐसे बनाते हैं और वो क्रिएट करते हैं, टास्क ऐसे क्रिएट होती हैं जहाँ पर अगर आपकी और मेरी एक बात पे किसी बात पे कोई मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हुई है, तो दे विल मेक यू द कैप्टन ऑफ वन टीम एंड मेक मी द कैप्टन ऑफ अनदर टीम, एंड देन वी विल फाइट. So शायद that is the tactic, and it's the creative people that are working like that, which works. I think you have to give them credit for that. But then the contestant has to understand that this is just a show के बाहर हम इंसान तो सभी इंसान ही हैं. We are no more longer contestants. So I think that maturity people have. Some people have it, some people don't have it.
And since you said Natasha and Ali, because since he dated, now he is doing well. People are liking his game, and in fact he like they are going to
No comments. Not interested. हमको प्रपोज नहीं किया किसी ने, तो हम किसी दूसरे के बारे में ही प्रपोज डज डोंट केयर.
yeah, but people are liking their chemistry.
गुड फॉर पीपल. आई एम ऑल्सो पीपल, पार्ट ऑफ पीपल ओनली ना. हम भी तो सोसाइटी बनाते हैं, हमको तो कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. हमको नहीं पड़ता भाई, सॉरी. एंड नो ऑफेंस टू अली एंड जैस्मिन और व्हाटएवर, बट इट्स जस्ट आई डोंट नो देम दैट वेल टू गिव केयर.
But as you said, people are going out and coming back because Ali was also like same. He just came to support Jasmine and later he.
I don't know. See, that's what I'm saying. So I just heard that they got all these people back again, and I thought that it's extremely going against the whole concept of the show. What's the point of eliminating them? Then why aren't you getting all the first people also that were eliminated and stuff like a Naina and a Kavita? Not because they're my friends or I know them, but get everyone back. Start another show again. It's like that only. ये show खत्म ही नहीं होगा फिर. When is it going to end? I want to know. When are you going to end the show? So, but I think people are enjoying Rakhi because people anyway enjoy Rakhi making all these comments and stuff and making a fool out of people and herself also. I think she's been known and she has fun doing it. So people are also having fun because there's nothing else to talk about. Tell me one thing that has become viral through this show in these 4-5 months. My answer, nothing. So of course Rakhi deserves the she's riding the show, yeah. See, the TRPs have gone like that when after she's come. So good for her and good for Colors, good for Endemol, good for everyone, and good.
Yeah, if you have to support someone from this season, whom you would.
राखी सावंत शुड विन, क्योंकि उसको पहले पहले उसके सीजन में तो दिया नहीं था, अभी तो दे दो. वो शो चला रही है, उसको दे दो. उस मतलब you know, I know this because I've been on the show. So when someone comes as a contender and stuff like that, very rarely they will give them the title because they want to give it to one of the original people, the cast member. But I would seriously tell Big Boss. I think even Big Boss wants to make Rakhi Big Boss. I think Rakhi should become Big Boss best.
Alright. Lastly, what message you would like to give the fans?
There's one more, sorry. I would just like to tell everyone that's watching Filmy Beat that Filmy Beat is one of the front runners when it comes to covering entertainment, and I think that thank you for interviewing me and this very heartfelt conversation where I honestly don't give a beep about a lot of things that other people are up to and why she's abusive. But I would just like to tell everyone to take care of yourselves, and 2021 will only be better if y'all are more responsible. So be responsible. Hi everyone, this is Sushant Divgikar aka Rani Kohinoor, and you are watching me on Filmy Beat.